Hi, I'm Mandy Hoppard, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and I recently got back from Hawaii. My hubby and I got to go for a couple weeks, and I would like to share some of my favorite travel tips with you. I would like to cover just the kind of carry-on personal items that I took with me, and in my opinion, they are must-haves. So here is my little Hawaii bag I got a few years ago. It's my crossbody purse, and as you can see here, I have a Norwex Optics scarf on it. It is there all the time because when in Hawaii, sunglasses are pretty important, and they get that film when you're in a tropical place. So having this handy all the time is great. My hubby can grab it easily, and I can, whether it's for devices, sunglasses, regular glasses, it's very important to have handy at all times. In this front pouch is where I have all of my little odds and ends, important things. And here you can see, I've kind of pulled them out a few times here, but my most favorite must-haves, never leave home without claws. So these, of course, this is a repeat because I like to have two of the body cloths and a lot of times two of the Enviro cloths, but this is the microfiber variety pack. You've got a travel size window cloth, Enviro cloth, and body cloth. Love, love, love. Would, like I said, never leave home without them. I always have a lip balm, a Norwex lip balm right here in that front pouch with me. This is pineapple coconut. It's my favorite of the flavors, but black raspberry is really yummy, as is the orange vanilla. You just can't go wrong with those. So those are in my crossbody, which then tucks into my personal item bag when I travel. And we just always travel with just carry-ons. So in that bag also I have one of these, or usually two of these wet wipes bags, because they are lined with the backlock, and so they're going to self-sanitize. And I have my makeup removal cloth in here. Typically I have a body cloth, a full size. I liked having this exfoliating mitt with me, and those are just, you know, going to be right close for when I am traveling, you know, jumping on a plane in the early morning and so forth. So my toothbrush and the peppermint toothpaste, which goes into my Ziploc bag. This is the liquids bag, and so as you can see, it's gallon size. I use the gallon size. I don't overfill it, like I don't fully fill it, and it's never been a problem for me. But anyway, so I'm a little bit of a rebel, I guess. Then in that, I also have another pineapple coconut flavored lip balm. I have my laundry detergent always handy in the powdered form. It always comes in handy, whether it's on a trip that I need to clean up a smelly cloth, or just a stain on one of our garments, or who knows what else. So here is the eye cream and the facial serum that are always in my liquids bag. Like I said, the toothpaste to go along with that, toothbrush from Norwex as well. The toothpaste we love is the peppermint. Obviously the strawberry is a little bit kiddish for us, but our grandkids love it. Here is the hand cleaner. It works great for use if you like to have a hand sanitizer. The best switch is right here to do the hand cleaner. And I also, though, am a firm believer in just water, and either our Enviro cloth or the body cloth cleans up hands and everything else really, really fast and great. Along with the facial set, I have a little bit of our face lotion tucked into my little container here, because the lotion is larger. The face cream, the night cream, is too large to take in a carry-on. So I just put it in that little container. I love the Rescue Gel. It's awesome for sore muscles, tight shoulders and neck muscles. And then the produce bags I use as a snack holder. If I was traveling with little ones, I would use it for containing their activities. And I use it for laundry, also a different one. We use multiples of the produce bags. So that kind of covers the smaller, the travel personal items. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And I hope that's helpful. We're going to cover some other things in another video. So check back. I love to hear from you and share great travel tips and ideas.